Hello to everyone who stopped by my kitchen. Today we have a simple breakfast in the form of lentil pancakes, plus a remedy for anemia, because lentils, sesame, and egg are rich in iron. This can also be made without egg, as a flatbread. Soak 100 grams of lentils in water for 30 to 40 minutes. After soaking, drain the water and add a raw egg to the lentils. Salt, greens, and spices as desired. Blend everything thoroughly with a blender until smooth. Sesame, 30 grams. If you want to make pancakes like I do, add enough water to make the mixture pourable, like liquid, not like honey. If you want to make flatbreads, then do not add any water. Heat a skillet without oil. Pour the mixture in so a thin cake forms. Fry without oil until done on both sides. You can add various fillings to the flatbread to your taste. For example, ricotta or cream cheese, hummus, arugula, or other greens, tomatoes, olives, and so on. It's a great addition to breakfast or a light dinner. Let's enjoy.